back to the vlog, guys. So it's another video. Yeah, it's another video. So we're gonna try roast 2 breadfruit and pig 2 ackee. Yeah, in the backyard. Yeah, yep. You don't know. You're not in there. Yeah, you don't know. Yeah, so it's a backyard thing. It's a backyard cooking. It's a backyard. It's a backyard.
Cooking.
Alright, guys. So stay tuned. So we set up where we are gonna roast the breadfruit them. So me what ackee open up in the tree now, 2 ackee tree, and may I tell you them loaded, but the one here ackee open up in now. Well, look a spot here. We're gonna roast the breadfruit them. So Pele I go and pick some stick, some wood stick for make the for roast it. Yeah, right here. So we'll put the black on the piece of grill we're gonna use. But you see, up in the ackee, maybe it's probably zoom in. We'll leave the open ackee up in there. So in my tati I gonna try to pick some. Oh, I have ackee and salfish, roast breadfruit. We're gonna fry some of the breadfruit and leave some of it like how it is.
Fly out.
Yeah, fry out where?
Shingana New Year.
Ah, yeah, no. Oh, we need some more stick. You find a shot? You couldn't go up in the tree? Yeah, find one. Yeah. It look like it's not raining now. I mean, I watch the rain till the evening come down to see if we do it. But hopefully it not rain, you know. Make them breadfruit I get for roast. Cause I like it better when it roasts like this than when time it roasts on the stove. So hopefully no rain and fall like in the dark up before it done roast. So, yeah. I must have book leaf in my phone. Piece. I'm not doing it, bunny. Alright, that's supposed to can do now.
Book leaf.
Book leaf first. Or we can use one of the buckle and drop it up in a catch. Like buckle or someone, yeah. See something? That's that one day I can use?
Put it in there now?
Yeah, drop it in.
No,
there.
you want it to catch. Then just drip it on.
Let me go do the breadfruit. The feet.
Banana one can.
Emma, no. What up on my eye?
Maybe she ain't no more cardboard.
Yeah, so I'm big up my cardboard up this. Let it start roast now. We let the fire catch now, guys. No. Oh yeah, because some of the board them that must to the side. Oh, cookies are stick here. Oh no, the tree root. I think a piece of stick for that.
I will be for
Or you want bury leather? See, she'll go up a tomboy, you know? Watch them. How she know if you do it like that? How she know? No, girl, he's a real tomboy. Tatty girl. Oh, yeah, get some down. Yeah, sell some right there.
And
So.
teacher not gonna help me at the tree.
Yeah, man, when I time
Oh.
to come down, we have to help you out. When you go up there, you can't come down. Watch, I want big bunch to this thing now.
Hey, tell him to stop doing that, my friend.
Yeah, see two right here and the right there, so
Well,
Tati.
no.
Pick it down, just drop them. When we done, we take them off.
I teach you where normal I can stick them in there.
The wire papa fight. Yeah, just throw them down.
I can't reach no more.
You can't reach no more with the hand.
No, that time I didn't ask you.
For the other, the
So come
wire.
on, I'ma fix it, then I help me down.
The wire, me can't get the wire.
Where wire?
Wire drop over this, so if me get the wire, me can't. Look, man, look.
I teach you it's too so don't jump off in there.
You know, jump off now, go, you can do the right there, so, and it goes so with it, I lick it, and then it goes fly over there.
Junior study today.
Are this today?
Oh, Junior study today. When Junior study about October.
Oh, man, must be when, look right there, so. What I run water, you're not used to it. You're not used to a thing.
So this one, I keep it over, buddy. Eh? Yo, I used to do this, you know?
See there. I work today on the tree and we have
Yeah,
fresh
it's
meat.
so
So
sweet,
we want to take
Like I jug it down.
go feed stick.
Use that and stick the other one that you
You come try and see if you can. Because you say it's heavy. So oh, you're going to use it.
I'm gonna go up in a tree.
I know, but you say, oh, when you're not up in a tree, alright. Hmm? So take time for you know.
Tisha cry.
Oh,
Tisha go forward there you go. Yeah,
So
cry.
take time now.
Tears of joy. Tisha over with the arrow.
Man, come look if you find them one stick.
I tell them
Get some ackee. Try to see if we can get some more.
Tisha, tell them
no, I keep me eat, you know.
Yeah, that's time I say we'll try to see if we get some more.
That's it, it's that in our day,
Try to
them
see if we get some wood now.
you know, that in our day, them they could have used, you know.
See if we get some wood.
Tisha,
We
where
have
you
played a song
talking?
coming on copyright. Don't do it.
Hey, no man.
See if we get some more.
This one I didn't know you man, I'm not
Yeah. Chopper, they're in there, so.
Chopper.
Yeah, chopper can chop.
I don't think I'm not sure these are chop food.
That's the one they take long to roll.
That one, yeah.
Yeah.
Really.
So I just put us on that.
A country people alone chop food in and
Put some of face is like me about to eat or the smoke. Like, why? Gotta try to get a stick now, but see if we can get them some more ackee. Try. Get down some. Check it down some more. The ackee. Whole heap up there now, guys. I don't know if you can see, but a whole heap up there. Ooh, the one that spread out. Alright, so. Wow. Crazy amount. Chop wood fire. Wood for the fire. Yeah, stop. Yeah. Where plate there, Tati? Shell out there and I monitor it. Shell out there, I monitor fire, she chop wood. I monitor breadfruit, pull it up in the tree now, pick. Okay, pass the plate. Every time I put on my face, dog to it, it's like. Guys, I get my ackee them. Yeah, and plus Pelly picked some yesterday as well, so we have enough now. Breadfruit them still a roast, them so finish. Almost done here now. Oh, tired. Hmm? Oh yeah, holy, the ackee, the tree is still full of ackee. Pan breadfruit, yes. Roast breadfruit in the belly tonight. Yummy, yummy enough with tomato. Hey. It's a 360. We're waiting on the breadfruit. So we're still not on the fire, wait for the breadfruit. Alright, Tati, pick them here. Pick them here, meanwhile. Start the breadfruit done. Time to set on the ackee on the fire. You don't know that. Look at backyard thing. See you in the next clip. So we are back. Come up pull up me and tea. So breadfruit them done roast now. Me go out the fire and carry them in and finish inside because it a dark up and can't deal with the mosquito bite me. Backyard cooking. Yeah.
I'm friendly with them down there. So.
We go out the fire because I'm done. Roasty. Yeah. So me just like throw water on the. You know this me? Throw water on the fire.
Watch out.
Yeah, throw water on the fire.
And Tisha, why you out in me?
Make sure it stays out.
Say no bonding your house.
Yeah. Make sure it's out, guys. Look at my flesh up here. Look at me do myself. Mercy. What's that go?
Don't you have to go be though? Stink as smoke.
Stink as more.
Stink tight.
Look at my toes then get black. So. Guys, the ackee done boil. Time to take the ackee off the fire. So. No, right about now, I'm going to fry one of the breadfruit and leave the other one roast as it is and fry up the ackee and salfish. Yeah, see you in the next clip. Guys, breadfruit. The breadfruit, nice milk. And nice to come to the black up. This is what I did to my towels. Still hot. In a hot it warm. So just a peel and slice it. Like me say, I'm gonna fry one and I'm gonna leave one of them as it is. So see you in the next clip. Actually on the last leg, guys, just right here, putting some black pepper in. Yep. So I know some people don't like tomato in theirs, but I love it in mine. The good old ackee and salfish. You don't know. So we are work this way already. Yup. And I don't know where we are working with. Smell good this year. Can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait to get down like this with the breadfruit. So I end up frying all the breadfruits because they wanted it all fried. They didn't want it stay roast. So yeah, when I'm ready for this, I'm gonna dish out it and come back in the next clip to let you guys see the finishing. Alright, yep. So it's time to eat. There I am, finished. Okay, salfish, fried breadfruit, and my cup of juice, my cup of tongue as usual. So, yeah. In the next vlog. Alright, bye.